What's up, everybody? Been a minute since I made a video. Sorry, I've been sick and we've been crazy busy. We're leaving today and we're going to our favorite store. It's finally open, but it's time for us to go visit Spirit Halloween. We always look forward to this time of year. Halloween is our favorite holiday. I think they just opened a few days ago. Last year when they opened, they didn't have much in the beginning, and they kind of built their stock closer it got to Halloween. Maybe they'll have a few new things that are awesome. I don't really know a whole lot of what's coming except for a couple animatronics that I've seen online. So it'll be a surprise for all of us. I'm gonna go to Spartanburg, South Carolina and check out their new Spirit Halloween store. Come with us.
What's in the box? Don't be afraid, little one. Much more than you.
Scary.
It's so creepy. It's a rat.
Pet the rat, baby.
Awful sound.
VHS Halloween 2 bag.
Look at the liner.
That's really cool.
That is super cool. I want that.
Oh, it's got the
It's
back
30
on there.
bucks.
That's awesome.
30 bucks, too.
Seen this night.
I like the Haddonfield jersey. Let's check out their sweaters.
And look at that knife.
Super girly.
So
The back of it says Halloween gums. Yep.
Oh, you get to like.
Oh, you get the voice box with it. I ain't seen that in a minute. Look at these new bags.
Voice box, yeah. I remember that when I was a kid.
Or this now.
Yeah, that's cool.
Little top.
thing.
It's just, yeah. Little tag top.
Oh my god.
I have the jersey. That's
I hate that mask, Mom.
Scary movie with the phone.
Cold. seen this mask. Dada, hold this out. So short.
They got scissors.
Looks ugly.
Look at the Glen mask. Why you say that? I said it looked just like me. Look.
It does not.
Looks just like her. Little tiny nose. Big lip, blue eyes.
I know.
Your shirt, honey. It's pretty cool out there.
Yeah, I think they had that last time I wanted to get it.
Feels yeah.
Dada, you
You
can
like
be
that button-up shirt?
Got Jack on the sleeve. But the back has Iggy Piggy.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh my god, they have inflatable.
Isn't it?
That is so weird.
love the hair.
His head opens up, I guess. And you're supposed to put your stuff in. Oh, it's a little pocket too.
Oh, yeah.
This is a bag for looks and not much more.
It's family stuff. Gomez, Wednesday.
There's more tissue.
It does not have a
Professor costume, but no more tissue?
It does not have a head.
Pugsley?
It does not
They
have
have her wig.
There's more tissue.
There she is. Scream container for Monsters Inc.
It's a bag there. How cool is that?
Little head bands. Little crossbody bag.
That's cool.
That's a Mars Attacks
Fabulous.
That part 2 Leatherface mask back there.
Same. Was it $60?
I don't know.
Dad, you should be Leatherface one year. Dad, you could be this. You could be a bug.
Ooh. Look at chainsaws. Oh, the haunted mask. That's really cool.
It looks great.
Yeah, it's alright. That's cool. How much is that?
$70.
$70.
It's Trick or Treat Studios.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
I like it.
Like that alien.
That's pretty cool looking, actually.
Look, there's a bathroom there. In the world. That'd be funny.
T-Rex Ride.
Run around dressed as that.
Moving mouth moves now. Golly.
Bull, they got a bull too. The mouth moves.
It's done.
The freaking limo.
That thing's creepy.
Yard decor.
Let me see. Let me see. Mom, let me see.
Halloween.
Mom, let me see.
See the Beetlejuice one?
Yeah.
Skeletons everywhere. Feel like an alien skeleton.
Oh, look at these flies. It's like a spider nest.
Oh yeah.
Got bites.
Oh yes.
It's
Oh
gross.
yes.
Raccoon's missing half of its body.
And look at the
Middle
fly.
part there. Scabs. Little bone hill.
He's gonna about to eat my
Gonna about to eat your what?
finger.
Fingers.
I like this.
Oh my god. I just keep yelling at you. It's still going.
It's strange.
With the glass sticking out of it. Ice cream cone.
I want to smash the
Yes, they must be.
Oh look, another Beetlejuice. Those like 3D.
Lydia Deets.
Pretty cool. Frankenstein.
I want to be that
Bikini Bottom.
little cat.
Mr. Dog costumes. Super Dog. Race car. Pumpkin. The devil.
Little cat can be this.
Look at the ghost face dog.
Look how tiny the little mask is, so little. That's cute. I see it. Snow globe. I was trying to look at something else at the time. I'm sorry.
Yeah, the Mars Attacks thing. Haunted Mansion stuff. A wreath.
Okay, now.
Look at this Crypt Keeper. Oh, I love the Crypt Keeper.
Oh, they have the freaking pumpkin this year.
Oh my god, I love this.
How cool is that? It's $46.99.
Love this Mars Attacks symbol.
How much is it? $47. I like it.
None of them work.
Jesus.
Oh, the chip and dip set, that's really cool. Cutting board?
Yes.
Ghost face cutting board. Cookie jar. We'll go with our, oh, look. Oven mitt. I like that. I like the oven mitt.
Please stop touching things that spark.
showing
Seen that, but I love it.
Yes,
I want that ray gun.
I really want
Mars Attacks ray gun.
Mama, there's a Sam one.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Oh, it goes over there.
Scream one. Please, please. Killer Clown, Reef, and a Scream.
Seen that.